Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Weber Genesis E-315, huh? Big difference in grills there.
Definitely. The Q1200 is like a compact, portable grill, right? I see it's only 30 pounds, uses those small propane cylinders, and has a single burner pushing out 8,500 BTUs.
Exactly. Perfect for tailgating or small patios. Cooking area is 189 square inches. And it's got some nice features, like folding side tables and electronic ignition. But the Genesis E315, that's a whole different beast.
Oh yeah, the Genesis is a full-sized grill. It's 176 pounds, so not exactly portable. It runs on a standard LP tank. How many burners?
3 of them! And it has a dedicated sear zone. I don't see a BTU rating for the whole grill, but it's definitely going to be significantly higher than the Q1200.
And the cooking space? Gotta be way bigger.
You got it. We're talking a much larger primary cooking area and durable porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates for some high quality searing.
So the Q1200 is all about portability and convenience for smaller grilling jobs. The Genesis E315 is for serious grilling at home.
That's the gist of it. The Genesis also has these flavorizer bars to vaporize drippings and a grease management system. Fancy stuff.
Sounds great for a full cookout. What about the price difference?
The Q1200 is around $259. The Genesis E315 is listed at $799.
Okay, a considerable price jump. Is the Genesis worth the extra dough?
Well, if you frequently grill for a larger group, want higher heat output, and need a bigger cooking surface, then yeah, probably. Plus, it's got a 12-year warranty. The Q1200 is perfect if you just need something small and portable for occasional use.
Makes sense. Smaller grill, smaller price, smaller meals. Larger grill, more features, bigger price, bigger feasts.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.